Okay, we moved on to the front bumper now, and it has a lot of inlays to do. So in my mind, well, I removed the grills obviously, so they were quite easy to pop out, and the customer wants them in gloss black anyway, so easy to remove them and wrap underneath them. So yeah, I'm going to be putting an inlay, as you see, through the mouth at the beginning. So I'm going to do that one, and then I'm going to move on to the sides here and do another inlay so that it crosses over here, and then basically over the whole top will be the one final piece. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 inlays, and hopefully straight over the top will be good, and that should be it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so there is our first inlay. That's okay, I think that's good for what it is. And then we're going to move on to this one now, and then overlap a little bit. Okay. Right, this is where I'm at the moment. It's now 9:30 in the evening, and my brain has basically gone to sleep, so it's time to call it a day. But as you can see, I've finished my inlays, and I've laid some knifeless tape all the way around the bottom there, around to the corner. So when I wrap over the top, I'm gonna have a nice neat line to finish with the vinyl when it's final laid. Okay, so let's hope I get this baby all finished tomorrow, and then I'll do the chrome grills and the other little bits and pieces I need to do. It's been a long job, but sometimes that's what happens. So anyway, let's get some sleep. Okay, so after putting the inlays on with the knifeless tape and then covering the top with the fabric, as you can see, it looks pretty damned awesome. I think it looks amazing. And I wrapped the grills one piece, and as you can see, they look fantastic. Really pleased with them. The number plate goes there in the front. Customer had a bit of an ugly side plate on in the past, and that's why there's that strange lump. But I think you agree, the car is looking very nice now, pretty much like a brand new car. Very happy with it. So just got the handles to put back on, do a little bit of chrome, and we're done. Happy days.